Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery draining test in the POCO X2 versus the Realme X2 device. This is another most requested video in my channel. So to compare the battery drain while watching the YouTube videos and normal videos. So in this test, I'll be comparing the both phones, friends. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number given. And do check the links in description also, friends, for the best live wallpapers. So we can find very interesting live wallpapers in the description below. And let's get started with this test, friends. So in this test, what I will do is that for the first 2 hours I'll be playing with the YouTube continuously in both the phones, and next 2 hours I'll be playing with the MX player, friends. Same video I'll be playing in a loop, and let's check which phone drains faster and which can survive. And for this test purpose I will be choosing the display refresh rate to 60 Hz because the Realme X2 has 60 Hz, so the both can be evenly done the testing. So let's get started, friends. So as you can see, friends, right now I got even the stopwatch ready, and I connected to both the phones with the earphones plugged in. So as you can see, friends, both the phones are with the earphones plugged in. Let me disable all the other settings. Like in the POCO X2 right now I'm using other SIM, friends. So let me disable the SIM. So right now at the moment I'll be just connecting to the Wi-Fi network, and I'll be choosing with the 50% brightness, friends, and I have disabled the auto brightness as well. So with the 50% brightness, and let's check how much the phone can actually get through with the Wi-Fi playing the YouTube videos and playing the MX player videos as well. As I said, for the first 2 hours I'll be playing with the YouTube online streaming, and let's check which phone can survive. And next 2 hours I'll be playing with the MX player, and let's check, friends, which phone will be also having more battery left at the end. And let's get started with the test. So right now I'll be playing the continuous loop, friends, one of my playlist, POCO X2 playlist, so which has plenty of videos, so which I'll be playing continuously for 2 hours. And let's check, friends, which phone will have more battery. So let me disconnect the charging cables at same time in both the phones. As you can see, friends, I disconnected the charging cables and I have started the stopwatch at the same time, and I'm using the earphones. And even let me show you what is the volume I'm selecting. So let me select to the 50% volume in both the phones. As you can see, friends, 50% volume and 50% brightness, only with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the mobile data, as you can see. So this test can be now equally done, friends, with both the phones. So now we'll get to know which phone will last more longer than the other phone. So this was a question which most of the subscribers asked, which phone is better in terms of the battery life using IPS LCD panel or the AMOLED panel. So now we'll get to know, friends, which phone will be last longer. And let's again I'll be back, friends, after 2 hours of continuously playing the YouTube videos in both the phones. So finally, friends, after playing continuously for about 2 hours the YouTube test in the Realme X2 and the POCO X2, so with the 50% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection, and let's check the battery percent, how much it is in both the phones. And definitely I'll be doing the heating test as well, friends, in both the phones, comparing side by side. As you can see, friends, in the POCO X2 it's 91%, and in Realme X2 it's 86%. So there is a battery difference as well, like 4500 mAh of capacity in the POCO X2, and the Realme X2 has a 4000 mAh capacity. So that can be the another reason why it's this much of gap. So now what I'll do, I'll just disable the Wi-Fi connection at the moment, and I'll be trying to play only the inbuilt MX player video at the 1080p. So let me select the same video in both the phones, friends. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm playing the same video in a loop. So let me try to decrease the brightness here, choosing the 8%. Let me start both the videos at same time, friends, and let me restart. The test can be continued again, so we'll get to know after 2 hours so how it is. So the maximum brightness in the POCO X2 is 15, as you can see in Realme X2 is 16. So I'll set to the 8 in the POCO X2, and the Realme X2 I'll choose to the 9 brightness level in the MX player. So right now these are the two brightness settings, friends, right now I'm using in both the phones, using the 1080p video in a loop continuously. I'll be playing for about 2 hours, and let's check in offline video streaming whether how much the battery will be drained in both the phones. So again I'll be back, friends, after 2 hours continuously playing the same video in a loop. So as you can see friends, it's been exactly 5 hours of continuously playing the videos friends in this device, in POCO X2 and Realme X2 device. So for the first 2 hours I have used the YouTube streaming, and next 3 hours I have tested with the MX player friends. And let me show you the battery statistics, how much it is right now at the moment in both the phones, so you can understand. So as you can see friends, 78% and 71% in the Realme X2 device. So the POCO X2 has slightly higher battery friends, 4500 mAh capacity, so that's why the battery percentage is a little bit higher than the Realme X2 device. So overall friends, if you're looking for the device just for media and entertainment purpose, then the POCO X2 will solve your problem in terms of battery backup. There is no issue friends, because I'm using the Wi-Fi test I have done not with the 4G, and second test I have did with the aeroplane mode MX player. So overall the battery is good, but if you're using the 4G and mobile connection, then it might be different. And in terms of screen quality friends, I felt the Realme X2 is better because of having the AMOLED panels. So definitely friends, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. I'll be posting plenty of interesting videos. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.